In this video, I will show you how to find profitable Amazon FBA products using Deepseek AI. Let's get started. First, I open up Deepseek in my browser. I make sure to select the Instant Chat setting, and then I click on the message bar. I paste a detailed prompt asking Deepseek to act as an Amazon FBA product research expert and find 10 profitable products for beginners in 2026. In the prompt, I ask for details like the product name, estimated selling price, estimated monthly demand, competition level, why it's a good product, direct product links, and tools to analyze it. After reviewing the prompt, I click the blue send button on the bottom right. Deepseek begins searching the web, compiling data from various sources to generate our product recommendations. Once it's ready, Deepseek provides a comprehensive, well-organized table. Let's scroll down to check out the details. The table features product names like Zero Waste Deodorant and Magnetic Spice Racks, alongside estimated prices, demand, and competitive ratings. If I scroll down further, I can see the rest of the list, including items like pet grooming gloves and a bamboo steamer. On the right side of the table, Deepseek lists direct links and product research tools. I decide to explore the first recommendation, so I right-click on the Amazon Bestsellers, Beauty and Personal Care link and select Open Link in New tab. This redirects me to Amazon's actual bestsellers list for that category, allowing me to verify the demand and see what specific products are currently performing well. After analyzing the live Amazon page, I switch back to my Deepseek tab. I want to check another category, so I scroll down to the Pet Grooming Glove recommendation, right-click its link, and open it in a new tab as well. This instantly loads the Bestsellers in Pet Supplies page on Amazon. Once again, I return to Deepseek. I can scroll further down to read the key insights that Deepseek generated for beginners. These recommendations include prioritizing micro-niches, leveraging social media, and using historical data to validate demand. With these tips in the curated list, I now have a solid starting point for finding my next Amazon FBA product. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.